A fresh blow for Huawei on Friday. Facebook says it now won't allow its apps to be pre-installed on the company's phones. That includes WhatsApp and Instagram besides Facebook itself. People who already have Huawei handsets can keep using the apps though, and will still get updates. The move comes after Washington banned US firms from supplying technology to Huawei. It says the company may collude with Chinese spies and is a risk to national security, allegations Huawei strongly denies. The ban comes into force in August after a 90-day reprieve expires. Google has already said it will stop supplying its Android software from that point. No word yet, though, on the plans of other popular app suppliers, such as Twitter. Now Huawei says it's ready for the US ban and will work around it. But analysts are forecasting a drastic drop in the company's handset sales.